Haunted house. Recycle a carton into a Halloween decoration. For this craft, you'll need a carton with the bottom cut off, tissue paper, googly eyes or plastic bugs, black or purple paint, a battery-operated candle, scissors, and glue. Step 1. Paint the carton and let it dry. Step 2. Cut out a door and a window. Step 3. Glue tissue paper inside the carton to make window glass. Step 4. Glue on googly eyes or plastic bugs, or both. Step 5. Place a battery-operated candle inside the carton and watch your house glow. Happy Halloween!